Speaking today, focusing brilliantly.
Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Nice to meet you. I am seeking permission to our guests when I start my speech. Okay. My name is Ahzee. I'm a student of class 9 in our school. My family consists of 4 members. They are my father, my brother, my mother. My father's name is Mr. Habibur Rahman and he is a businessman. My mother's name is Mrs. Narmula and she is a college. My brother's name is Mr. Posher. He is also a student like me. He is a student of Sheikh Public and I want to be a doctor in my future, so you want to pray for me. And my leisure activity is playing guitar. I love to play guitar because I like to play folk songs and rock songs. You want to pray for me. I want to be a good doctor and I want to help the poor people. Now I am talking about my Eid. Actually that Eid there was Eid is Eid Fitr, and Eid Fitr it is a very good festival for Muslims. There are two Eids for Muslims. Among them, Eid Fitr is one of them. And in Eid Fitr, I wake up early in the morning, and then I go for bath. After taking my bath, I return to my home. Then after that, I wear Punjabi and I spread body spray and scent, halal scent to all of my body. After that, I start for. I meet with my parents and all of my neighbors and my family members. After that, I start for mosque because it is now one of the rule of pandemic situation of coronavirus that no one cannot pray Eid Fitr Salah in Eidgah. So I pray Salah in mosque. After that, after praying Salah, I meet with all of my parents. I meet all of my family members and all of my neighbors, and I meet with them by maintaining social distance, by wearing mask and gloves. By sanitizing my hands, I meet them by maintaining social distance. After meeting them, I return to my home and then I meet to my grandmother. After that, I have something like food. After having something food like snacks and sweet dish like desserts. After that, I spent about 1 hour with my cousins by playing some games. After that, I wash myself for preparing for Juma Salah because that day was Friday. It's also a very holy day for us because in that day Juma Salah happened. Then I start for Juma Salah. After completing my Juma Salah, I return to my home. Then I lunch with my family members and my father or anyone. After having my lunch, I meet with my aunt, paternal aunt, because I was in my paternal grandpa's home. Then they come and I meet with them. Then I play indoor games with them. I never come out. I go out from my home because there were some rules depending of the pandemic situation COVID-19. So I spent a bit idle time that day. I enjoy myself because not like before. Before we celebrate it in another ways because but in this Eid there was some limit. So after that I spend my time idle. Then after sometimes after Asr Salah, my maternal uncle went to go to my home. Then I return to my maternal grandpa's home with them, and that was all of my activities.